We all imagine the end of the world in different perspectives. Some see a bright heavenly light and large trumpets being blown in the sky. Others, blaring alarms and fire, nuclear storms, nuclear fallout. While others, well, they see this. But as human beings, we will never know till the day it happens, for we are limited to now. However, there is but one ending that I fear the most, one that grows likely every single day, one where the earth itself will morph into a desolate, apocalyptic landscape. No breathable air, no drinkable water, no life, nothing. So here's a message from the future that I'd like you to hear.
Indeed, 'twas their own hubris that ended their reign, their belief that they were the pinnacle of creation, that caused them to poison the water, kill the land, and choke the sky. In the end, no nuclear winter was needed, just a long, heedless autumn of their own self-regard.
I understand now. Humans died out from environmental disaster.
Yes, this might become our legacy, our ending. However, we can change it, because the message I bring to you today is not one of damnation, but one of choice. Yes, we do have the choice, and every choice we make shapes the end, it shapes the outcome. So let us live responsibly. Let us reduce, reuse, and recycle, for we live in a rich planet, but its resources are not unlimited.